To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by removing the 4 screws from the back of your Garmin Edge using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Use the shim tool to lift the front cover as shown. Remove the front cover along with the rubber gasket and set aside. Carefully lift the screen and disconnect the ribbon cable as shown. Remove the 3 screws from the circuit board. Gently loosen the circuit board and pry it away from the casing to reveal the battery connector. Disconnect the battery connector from the circuit board. Pry the battery loose from its adhesive to reveal the connecting speaker wires. Using scissors, wire cutters, or wire strippers, snip the 2 wires connected to the speaker. Strip the speaker wire covering to expose the wire. Twist together the exposed wire from the battery and speaker. Be sure to match the wire colors. Use a glue gun available at your hardware store to permanently connect and protect the wires. Be careful not to touch the tip of the glue gun as it is very hot. Alternatively, you can use solder, but you will need to cover the exposed wire with electrical tape to prevent shorting. Reconnect the battery and reseat the battery and circuit board as shown. Replace the 3 screws. Reattach the screen connector ribbon cable as shown. Before replacing the front cover, you may want to clean any smudges from the screen. Being sure that the rubber gasket is in place, position the front cover onto the body of your Garmin Edge and press together. Replace the 4 screws. Turn on your Garmin Edge with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Garmin Edge should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.